This video is going to be about 1, 2, and 3-dimensional shapes. I'm going to explain this with the Three Little Pigs story. I hope you will all enjoy! Once upon a time, there lived 3 little pigs. One day, their parents said it was time for them to leave home and seek their fortune. So they started their journey to live alone. They reached the forest. They wanted to build houses to live. The first little pig was very lazy. He didn't want to work at all, so he decided to make his house out of sticks. The second little pig worked a little bit harder, but he was somewhat lazy too, and he decided to make his house out of straw. The third little pig was not lazy at all. He was very hardworking, so he decided to make his house out of bricks. Hey, wait! Did you see something behind that tree? It's a wolf! The first little pig just put one stick on the ground and then he wanted to take a rest. The stick is one-dimensional. Do you know why? Because we can measure only the length of the stick. Now the second pig came and he started to build his house. He made a square out of sticks and put some hay inside to make it cozy. He also is a lazy little pig, so he took a break. The second little pig's structure is 2-dimensional because it has length and width. Now the hard-working third little pig came and made a structure out of bricks. This structure is 3-dimensional because it has length, width, and height. Hey, wait! Look, the same wolf is peeking again. The next day, the first little pig is still sleeping. He hasn't built anything yet. The second little pig has built half of his house. The third little pig has completed his house. Now a wolf came and he saw the little pig laying down. He was very hungry. He said, little pig, let me eat you." The little pig got up and ran away to hide with the second little pig. The wolf continued down the lane and he passed the second house made of straw. He smelled the pigs inside, so he said, little pigs, let me in." The little pigs answered, "No, no, no, not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin." So the wolf showed his teeth and said, "That I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed, and he blew the house down. The 2 little pigs escaped to the third pig's house. He moved all the way to the third house, and he said, little pigs, let me in." The pigs answered back, "No, no, no, not by the hairs on our chinny chin chin." So he huffed and he puffed. Again he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the house down. He was so out of breath and tired. The 3 little pigs were safe inside the brick house and they lived happily ever after. Hope you liked the story. Now let's see what's the definition. Consider a straight line. It has only one measurement, length, so it is 1-dimensional. Let's consider a square. It has 2 measurements, length and height. So this image is 2-dimensional. Now let's consider a cube. It has 3 measurements, length, height, and width. This means we can see the depth of the cube. So this cube is 3-dimensional. Now let's see some real-life examples. This is a 2D square. A Rubik's Cube is a 3D version of a square. Now let's look at the circle. What is the 3D version? It's a ball. Next is a triangle. Its 3D version is a piece of cheese. Can you find the real-life examples for these shapes? A diamond, cylinder, and a pentagon. Please let me know the answers in the comment section below.